Hello, welcome to my workshop. I've been really busy making jewelry, of course, and I just wanted to do a quick video and show you some really pretty earrings. I'm really in a pink mood today. Look at this, pink and blue. It says pink crystal glass beads. There's a handmade bead I made in the center here with pink crystal and blue Czechoslovakian glass, and this is little tiny Japanese seed beads in pink, and these are all also pink crystal, and they're wire wrapped onto antique brass metal. It has a copper base, so I'm just going to put these on. I love hoops, but I love dangly hoops in a like a pear shape. Better for my face. So you can see them because they're big. They're big, but they're light and they're colorful and they're really different. That's something that really make me happy. I have to make jewelry that I absolutely love to wear. And that's best. I was thinking, what do I make? You know, Christmas is coming, the holidays, and so many people need to buy gifts, and I make a lot of very personally, special jewelry with great messages and things like that. But I wanted to make some fun stuff you can wear going out to parties and stuff. So I'm just going to get the other ones. Okay. I have some really fun designs. Okay, there's one, I've only made one. I haven't made the other one yet. And of course, I'm going to make one for me. All these I make for me first. And there, look at this. Long. It looks very like Egyptian. Looks really cool. With the gold and the turquoise. And this is Czechoslovakian glass and crystal with this incredible vintage filigree gold finish drop. And this is all, I've used all solid brass with an anti-tarnish coating. And they're a lot of fun. So, and that's all my hand-shaped, the French ear wires. What I've done, this is a handmade bead I've done with the Czechoslovakian glass. It's like a, I don't know what I call it, like a satin finish. You can see the satin finish. It's like a red, almost burgundy, but a reddish color. I don't know if you can see, if I can get the camera to see this, show you properly. So that's a handmade bead with a vintage crystal on top, vintage facet crystal on top, and then I've used vintage chain. It's really cool. I think this is aluminum chain from like the 1970s. I think it's a 1970s piece. And the chain has been cut so a little bit of the silver color shows in between underneath the black coating. And they are really nice. You can wear this with so many outfits. It's fun and unique, but the color is so wearable. Then you just got to see these ones. I absolutely love these earrings. Look at this. Talk about chandelier earrings. Can I get this in the camera properly? Look at that. Lots of dangles. So I have to get this perfect. So lots of chain and dangles and crystal. You see the crystal inside underneath the swags of chain. Put that on. So I make the bead, the big center bead. That's woven Czechoslovakian glass, Japanese glass, and crystal. And underneath, like, it's a crystal glass. I don't know if there's lead content in it or not. And then this is black crystal underneath. Little ones. And these come from the sides of the beads and the swags of the gunmetal chain. So look at that. That is so unique. If you just want a really wild statement pair of earrings that are still understated in a way that they are classy, and the colors, there's a pop of pink and little bits of blue and some silver, but they're not too over the top, but really, really unique. And they're really lightweight and really comfortable to wear, so I absolutely love these, and I need to do these in other colors. I'm going to try. I love the style. If you like something a little more muted and, you know, more gold warm colors, then look at this. Aren't these gorgeous? I wire wrapped on. These are Czechoslovakian glass and crystal. So this is a pale, really like a translucent mauve inside. And then they have this gorgeous gold coating, like on one side, and they're all faceted and sparkling and the same. This crystal is also a very translucent mauve with a gold sort of aurora coating on it. They're lightweight. Again, I have used the antique brass, and look at that. I love them. See, I'm just making what I love. And they're just a really nice muted color. You can wear this for all sorts of occasions, different outfits, just about anything. Just very, very classy, but still a big hoop. But I've made them still a bit of a drop shape. Now, for someone who's a little more rock and roll, here we go. Look at this color. Ooh, stars. And this is beautiful. It's an aurora borealis of purple and blue and a little bit of gold. You can see on the these are hematite. I think they're hema-like reconstituted stones. And look at this, electroplated. I think this titanium electroplated that gives that purpley blue metallic finish. They are really cool. And again, I've done them with the darker antique brass color metal. Look at that. So they look really good with the navy blue. I've got navy blue on, I've got pink, and the pink's bring out because they're just purple. There's a little bit of pink, I guess, on the stars. But look at that. They're big, but they're lightweight, really easy to wear. So these are really fun if you want to wear some pink. And let me see if I pull the jacket down and just show you. You can see how the pink looks. You know, if you just want to wear a pop of pink and you don't want to wear a big pink sweater. And this is great with just about anything, blues, pinks, purples. So if you like cool colors, if you like warm colors, you can have this. And if you want something that looks a little more Victorian with just a little pop of a sort of a burnished brick red, it's almost like a satin metallic. And you can always order the style of ear wires you like. Like this is the French. And I like to put, when people order their earrings, I put new ear wires on. See, let me see. Can you see it better now? That is a French style ear wire. The hook just goes in the ear. It's very, very simple. But it's better to have them secured or push the wire down, as I do. Now these are, if you can see, this is a lever back earring style. This goes back. The hook goes through your ear and you just snap it up, clip it on, and you don't need a backing. So you can choose either style. I do have posts in the silver and stainless steel. You can choose posts in that, like the silver plate, the white gold, whatever style you like. But these, I can do the French and the lever back. So whatever's easier for you. So you can have different colors, pinks, blues, electrics, or really pop a pink. I think you'll love these. Anyway, you can see my jewelry. I don't have these posts online yet. I've just made them and now have to make some extra pairs. I will be at the Waterside Inn on November 4th and 5th for the Arts on the Credit artwork show. It's going to be an amazing show with so many different artists. You're going to see so many different amazing things and more jewelry. You'll see my jewelry and some other incredible artists' jewelry, and it's right here in Port Credit, right by the water. It's an amazing group of artists, and they're all very talented. There's so much you can do here. Make a day out of it. Come out to the art show. Come see me and my jewelry and other people's jewelry and art and just so many different things. You're going to love it. Go have lunch, show, and it's free admission. It's really going to be beautiful, and the Water Sign Inn's a lovely hotel. So I found out today I will be doing the Visual Arts Mississauga show, and that is on November 18th. I'll be doing that. So I have to keep busy and make lots of jewelry. Thank you for stopping by, and please visit my channel again and come and see lots of my jewelry.